Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. As for me, I'm so much okay. So guys, it's your girl back again with an interesting video, a new one, and this time we are in the kitchen. But first of all, please guys, if you wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, oh guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit that red subscription button so that you subscribe and become one of the family member here. So guys, also press the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to know and to see that I have uploaded a new video. And so if you are a returning subscriber, Manzena Sana, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by once more, and thank you so much for your support. So guys, without further ado, as it is in the title here below, today I'm in the kitchen and I want to clean my fridge and organize it. So in my fridge right now, it's disorganized kind of. It's dirty kidogo, not much but kidogo, and it's kind of empty. So I ordered some items, but mostly they are veggies, mostly are grains. I want to organize them with you guys, so sit, relax and enjoy. So guys, let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the situation of my fridge. You see how it is, It's not interesting to look at. So this is my fridge. It's empty. It's empty. It has almost like it imeisha, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to reload it right now. And also that you see the bottom part of it, I want to clean it. And yes, that's it. I'm done guys after a long cleaning, and as you can see my fridge, it's sparkling guys. It's super white, Aki guys, comment and tell me. I don't know whether I'm the only one, but I really love when my fridge, I've cleaned it na enjoying kuweka vitu. So I've cleaned the whole fridge and that's it for now. Okay, for the freezer part, I'm not going to clean it today. I'll do that another day because it's full right now. It has chicken and meat and they're frozen, so nani mob, so I couldn't have removed them. So for that I'll wait for them to finish kidogo zishishe, and then when they're over all kidogo, I'll do the top cleaning part of it. That's the freezer. So guys, let's do this. Let's now let me show you what I got, the new items that came for them to be stored. But I told you mostly they are veggies, as you can see. So let me show you one by one what's in here. So guys, let's do this. First of all, we rearrange what's here, and then we put the veggies together. This is my madam's milk. She really loves this milk, even if I don't like it. I don't love this kind of milk, so this for her. Hey Meisha, I don't know why I didn't say for them to do this. They have remained only 3 packets, but for 3 packets it will take her, she will take them for 6 days. So because one packet she takes it twice, so there are 3 remaining, as you can see. So this is for 3 days, or rather 6 days, not 3 days, 6 days. Dates here, they'll keep it. I have some more here. These are the remaining paper, green paper zenye zilikuwa. Let me see kama niliorder, let me see kama nimeletewa. And also these are the lemons that were before, not the new ones. And also tomatoes, leftover tomatoes. They are new. I'll show you in a while. So guys, this all here, this carton, as you can see, full of blue peppers, and this. Start with this and spinach. These are spinach. These are for salad. There is actually, guys, forgive me, I don't know this in English, but in Arabic they're called kuza. So they are used to make stew. Yes, I'll find what they're called in English, but for now I don't know, guys. But in Arabic they call it kuza. So that's two. Guys, these are kind of zinakami, unaona, peas, but they're not really peas because they're so light, not like peas, but I don't know whether they are peas sisters or, but in Arabic this is bamia, also for soups, stews. These are kales, this is for salad. These are pepper, pili. Remember I'd shown you they are remaining ones, but see mingi, so this. Plus this is a kind. So what I'll do, I'll put them together, but this on top, so that when I'm cooking, I first of all use this one. Those kisha, I can now use the ones. Okay, are we together, guys? This type of cereal is a cereal. Because I don't know whether in Kenya we have this, what we call kamande in cereals. I know you know it. So in Arabic this is kamande, but I don't know why yao yuko orange. Here too it's kind of green, yes, but this is orange. This is orange. Yes, kind of orange. Yes. So this I also for stew, but this you don't mix with anything. You just cook this and you eat with chapos. I ordered this also for stew. This biliganya. Yes, biliganya Kikenya, but in Arabic they call it bendejania. Okay. Hey guys, nimejua Kiarabu. This for salad. In Arabic, what do they call it in Arabic? What do they call it? Nimesahau. Hata Kenya ni cucumber. Yes, is a cucumber. Guys, those MGs that we use in wrong way. I don't know whether it's in wrong way ama, but in Kenya this is cucumber, but huku wanaitanga aje? Okay, I've forgotten. If I remember, I'll tell you guys. But in Kenya, cucumber for salad. Lemons, guys. And I really, you see, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do, I take warm water, lemon, and sometimes I put some coffee, but coffee not every time. But lazima when I wake up, I drink a glass of warm water mixed with lemon. I really love it. It's good for your health also. This also, this focus. Yes, this is called the bamia also. It's a sister to this ninjizao, so also for stew. And lastly, we have garlic. So everyone knows garlic, so I don't have to demonstrate garlic. Guys, I also ordered this for salad. It's onion, the leaf onion. I love it to make salad with it. This onion also is for salad. And finally, guys, I ordered some tomatoes. I don't have, as I've shown you, the remaining. So these are the tomatoes that came. So guys, that's all for the haul. Now let me arrange so quickly, and then I'll show you how the final looks. Okay. This has spoiling, so kutupa, I feel bad. done, and I want to show you the final look of my fridge, how it's looking right now. This is the final look of it. Usijali akibado haina vitu, but at least it's clean and organized. See guys, I love this. I love this. It's so sparkling green, white, and yes. It's okay, the freezer bado iko hapo. It's not for today, for another day. So guys, that was all. So guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed.